pulled an anchor. What a special anchor, said Emily Elizabeth. My class is going to love it. But guess what? Along came Jetta. She said. I had an anchor just like that, and I already brought it to show and tell. Oh, Clifford, Emily Elizabeth sighed. We have to find something special on this beach. Then Emily Elizabeth looked down. What do you think she's going to see? And guess what? Clifford looked up, 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 up. Wow, Emily Elizabeth said. Clifford lifted her up all the way to the top of a tall cliff. And on the cliff, look, was an old bird nest with some feathers and some eggshells inside. This will be great for show and tell, Emily Elizabeth said. Whoop, said Clifford, and he poked his nose into the nest. But oh no, guess what happened? He poked his nose into the nest and went, no,